This is milling, and this is our machine. At the moment, we've got another one on order. If you can get in on that, that's a little bit of tissue paper there. I'm going to use that to set the dead center on the machine. So we turn the machine up, and then I'll bring this up until it just catches on that paper. There you are. And now I can use that information here. So I'm going to set this to 0. And then by these increments, which will be in millimeters, I'll be able to make the cut. We've set this to 0, so we need to check our alignment. So let's bring our work up a little, and then we'll see if we can make a mark along the work. Okay, so what we need to establish is whether or not that is centered. You can tell a little bit better from this angle. It's not milling a particularly neat hole, but it is centered. And we can check that with the vernier caliper, measuring from each side, each jaw, to the center or to the edge of each of those troughs. Really important to make sure you've got all your safety goggles and everything on for this. It'd be very easy to get something in your eye otherwise. A little bit of oil in this tray. And then we'll come to a final cut. So we've got one on this edge. We'll need to put one at 180 degrees to that, and then another one 90 degrees in between, and then one finally on this side. So 4 flutes in all, and then that's your handle. The finish on this isn't brilliant. The tool isn't brilliant. I'll see if I can do something about improving that by the time it's your turn on the machine. Okay, so that's we've cut 2 flutes now opposite each other. Again, the finish not brilliant, but better on the second one, I think. And now what I need to do is to clamp that work this way, and then I can machine here, and then I'll flip it over and we'll do the final flute on that side. Here we are. We've got those 4 flutes on, and they're all at 90 degrees to each other going round, and that's going to make the handle. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a flute.